Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop a photo into a circle online. So it's actually quite easy to do. All you need is your search engine. Then what we're going to do is we're going to type in profile cropper, just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the website. It's the third one for me, but you want to click on the website crop-circle.imageonline.co. Click on this one with this icon, make sure you have this one, and then you will get onto this website. Then all you need to do is you need to upload your image you want to crop into a circle. So, for example, this is the thumbnail I just made for my other video. I just click on open, and now I can use any part of the image I want to turn into a circle. For example, I want to create a really big circle, then I just do this, and I scroll a little bit down. I just click on crop circle, sorry, couldn't find the button. Click on crop circle, and then your circle is ready, and it will also be a PNG. You can simply download it, and now when I go to my downloads, we can see that it's now a perfect circle. So yeah, that's how you can crop a photo into a circle online. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.